Welcome to Tinny English Start. This channel helps beginners learn simple, practical English. In today's lesson, you will learn easy shopping conversations. Let's listen and practice together.
Asking about clothes.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a dress.
What size do you need?
Size medium, please.
This one is very popular.
Thank you. I'll try it on.
Trying on clothes.
Excuse me, can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
It's a little big. Do you have a smaller size?
Yes, we have size small.
Great, thank you.
Asking the price and payment. How much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Do you have a discount?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
I'll take it. Asking for another color.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I like this shirt. Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we have blue, white, and black.
I like the blue one.
Great choice.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Exchanging and returning items.
Hello, I'd like to return this shirt.
Sure, what's the problem?
It's too small for me.
Would you like to exchange it or get a refund?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
No problem. Do you want a bigger size?
Yes, size medium, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support is a big motivation for me to create more useful videos for you. See you in the next video.